Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Kate Moss takes the stand to deny Johnny Depp pushed her downstairs in huge blow to Amber Heard. Kate Moss has taken the stand in her former boyfriend Johnny Depp's defamation trial to deny a rumour he had pushed her down a staircase. The British supermodel's testimony at the high-profile court battle is a huge blow to Depp's ex-wife Amber Heard, as it contradicts claims the actress has made. Watch Kate Moss testify in the video player above. Watch Sunrise on Channel 7 and stream it for free on 7 Plus. Depp is suing Heard for $50 million US, 70 million Australian dollars, saying she defamed him by saying she was a victim of domestic abuse in a newspaper opinion piece. Depp's attorneys on Wednesday called Moss as a rebuttal witness after Heard had earlier testified about rumours of Depp pushing Moss down a flight of stairs. Moss, who dated Depp from 1994 to 1998, told the court that she slipped on a staircase and injured her back during a vacation the couple took in Jamaica. Depp rushed to help her, carried her to a room and called for help, she said. We were leaving the room and Johnny left the room before I did, and there had been a rainstorm, and as I left the room I slipped down the stairs and I hurt my back, Moss said via video from England. I screamed because I didn't know what happened to me and I was in pain, and he came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention. Depp's attorney asked Moss if Depp had ever pushed her down the stairs during the course of their relationship. No. He never pushed me, kicked me or threw me down any stairs, Moss testified. When Depp later took the stand, he was asked about his recollection of the staircase incident. I remember looking and seeing Kate coming out the door, Depp testified. And there were 3 little wooden stairs and she slipped, her legs went up and she landed directly on her coccyx, on her lower back. She was obviously physically in pain and she was hurt, she was crying, so I ran over and grabbed her to make sure she was all right. That's it, that's the whole story. Moss was only quizzed by Depp's lawyers for 4 minutes before being dismissed as Heard's legal team chose not to ask any questions. Depp went on to accuse Heard, who he married in 2015 before divorcing 2 years later, of turning the story into a very ugly incident, all in her mind. I have never in my life committed sexual battery, physical abuse, he testified. All of these outlandish, outrageous stories of me committing these things and living with it for 6 years and waiting to be able to bring the truth out. So this is not easy for any of us. I know that. No matter what happens, I did get here and I did tell the truth. And I have spoken up for what I've been carrying on my back reluctantly for 6 years. Depp also refuted testimony previously given by witnesses, including Heard, claiming that his ex-wife hit him on multiple occasions and that her accusations of violence against him are heinous. Heard previously testified that it was Depp who hit her, and any time she used force, it was in reaction to him. The actor said Heard's accusations of physical and sexual violence had gotten out of control. On Wednesday, Depp was shown a photo of himself with a black eye while he and Heard were on the Orient Express for their honeymoon and asked how he got the injury. Miss Heard hit me, he testified. When Heard took the stand earlier this month, she shared her perspective of multiple alleged violent incidents with Depp. She testified that Depp took about 8 to 10 MDMA pills around the time of a March 2015 incident in Australia that left Depp with a severely injured finger. Depp said consuming that many pills would not be possible for him during testimony on Wednesday. Because I'd be dead. Pretty sure I'd be dead, Depp testified. I think one would die. Probably rather quickly. Heard testified she was not aware Depp had injured his finger until several hours later. Depp testified that the tip of his finger was severed after Heard threw a glass vodka bottle at him. A text message from Depp to his physician at the time said, I cut the top of my middle finger off. What should I do? Depp testified that when he was later examined by the doctor at the home where he was staying, Depp told him what happened. When you saw the damage in the house and the blood everywhere, and obviously there was serious damage everywhere, there would be no point in lying to the man. He'd been through it with me and Ms. Heard before, Depp testified. I told him that she had thrown a bottle of vodka and smashed and cut my finger off. The tip of my finger. A good chunk. I miss it. An orthopedic surgeon who specializes in hand surgery and was hired by Heard's team as an expert witness testified on Monday that the injuries Depp sustained to his finger were not consistent with